guys, Alex here, Clearwater Construction. Today we're applying our Lathe, which is a metal wire placement before we do our stucco. So Lathe inspection will, there's a couple requirements. So we've got, right here, we've got our Lathe gun, which is a staple, 16 gauge staple gun. These are specific staples. You can buy all this at Home Depot. So 16-inch gauge, and they should drive 1.5 inches into the sheathing, and then down below into the framing as well. So we're gonna do 7 inches on center. So we've got our first staple right there, and then we're gonna do every 7 inches.